Hey, how you doing? This is paid for by Miami-Dade County, so I can get some free stuff from here? The bag and everything?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Are you a registered voter?
I am.
Okay, that's
But there's no point in voting because both parties are corrupt, so what's the difference? All right, guys, if we want to sign in to speak at the county commission meeting, we got to come through here. And these are all government employees.
Yes.
What you pointing at, pal? What are you pointing at? What's your name and your position with Miami-Dade County? Sir, you're not gonna identify yourself? You're a contractor with Miami-Dade County. What's your name and your number? Unprofessional. Mafia Dave. We got another government employee here. I need a register to speak.
Hi, sir. I can help you over here. Number 39 is it.
All right, guys. So as you know, my right to attend a public meeting is protected by the Florida Constitution, correct? All right. So how do I sign up?
Are you for the budget or against the budget?
Against the budget. I'm against everything the government does.
All right, folks, welcome back. First, let me start by saying that Raggle Monkey's channel is not one that you want to sleep on. This guy's an originator, folks. He's always thinking outside the box. His work is creative, it's unique. You're absolutely gonna love this dude. And I would also like to add that this guy was friends with the late Jay Lopez, aka Jay Surreal Camera. I spoke to Jay many times, and many times Jay told me that he considered Raggle Monkey a brother of his. So we're gonna watch some of this splendid video, and we're gonna pause for comments. Let's get right to it, folks.
Sign, fill in your name.
All right, guys, this is what it looks like, the card. Against, always against. All right, guys. This guy makes the easiest money in Miami-Dade Police Department. He just takes care of this little thing right here. All right, guys, this is a little substation. And we got officer, what's your name? Acolytus. Easiest money in Miami-Dade Police Department. And we got his little backup. Look, he even needs backup for this little substation. What's your name and your badge number?
Alfonso, 4784.
Sir, that skinhead cop haircut is the worst haircut in America.
Really?
Grow your hair. Ma'am, what's your name? What's your name and your position with Miami-Dade County?
My name is Solemnly.
How come you don't respect the First Amendment?
No, I do respect them.
They're with the Columbus School newspaper.
Please don't do that.
They're media. No, because you're trying to violate the First Amendment rights.
I'm just letting them know.
They have they have all access to this media room. Unprofessional. No, the government works for you. We don't work for them. Guys, we got a county commission budget meeting. Miami-Dade County. The most corrupt people in Miami-Dade County work right here. The most pretentious pieces of garbage in all of Miami work right here. This is where the stupid mayor and the crooked county attorney sits. Yo, Sergeant of Arms, name and badge number. Don't walk away from me. You're on duty. Name and badge number. Who is this guy? You work for the department and you don't know who I am? Raggle Monkey, YouTube channel. You're a Sergeant of Arms. Identify yourself. You're on duty.
You already identified me. What else do you need besides
No,
that?
what's your name and your badge number so I can file my complaint for refusing to identify?
I didn't refuse. You said my name, so I acknowledge.
What's your name? Your name is not Sergeant of Arms.
You said my name.
What's your name, sir?
But you said my name. Juan Leon.
Badge number before I file a complaint with the department for refusing to identify.
4329.
Be professional, sir.
I
Don't
am
walk
very
up on me.
professional.
Don't walk up on me.
You're in the chambers.
I know.
Okay?
So act professional, sir. Act professional. And we got another lady. She's a Sergeant of Arms, but she's busy. My picture on screen, where's it at?
You have 2 minutes.
All right, listen. I haven't read the budget, but I'm telling you guys that you need to vote no. Because I hear all this gibberish about climate change.
I need your name and address for the record before you get into that.
Excuse me?
I need your name and address for the record.
Rafael Antonio Gomez.
Now, there are channels out there like Jersey Watcher, Lawrence Accountability, and now Direct D, and folks are out there going to these public meetings. Raggle Monkey is doing the same thing as well. And this right here, folks, I've said this a long time ago. I believe that cop watching was like level 1. Auditing was like level 2, and going into these meetings and documenting, asking questions is like level 3 in this First Amendment community. There's steps to this, guys, and we keep getting smarter and we keep educating and helping each other out. And we're learning from folks. We have people reaching out from all parts of the world now. We have people that are paying attention. They're seeing the importance of the work. And guys, this is what's important, okay? This is what I want to point out. In this First Amendment auditing community, we don't really see a political agenda here. The only thing that I see is everybody learning and knowing their rights and what they mean and what they stand for. I personally don't lean left or right. I move forward, folks. And that's how this community is going forward. Keep watching.
Okay, so you guys need to vote no on the budget because there's too much gibberish about global warming and climate change, and it all goes to waste. We got money for the homeless trust for what? When there's homeless people everywhere and they don't do nothing. We got money for solid waste when I report all this waste to the solid waste department and they don't pick it up. So I heard you guys are going to increase your salaries when one of the commissioners was just suspended. Are we going to give him money? Are we going to give Martinez, Pepe Diaz money when he got busted for a DUI?
Mr. Gomez, we don't refer to people particularly. Just address the board.
Okay,
Thank you.
I'm addressing the board.
Thank you.
The board. Okay. So I hear these security guards, they want more money. For what? When these are the security guards that were kicking people out of the trains and the bus for not wearing a mask. They don't deserve more money. They deserve to pay the money back that they already got because they don't follow the Constitution. Neither do you guys. With that being said, you guys just waste money, so there's no point in giving you guys more money. I heard there's going to be ceremony pay for past commissioners. That doesn't make any sense. So this budget is trash and you guys need to vote no. Mafia Day.
Your phone. Your phone. Your phone. Thank you.
Let me see your badge.
Like, are you going to put the mask on, sir?
Yeah, of course. I just want to get your info real quick.
Okay.
In case I want to file a complaint. I don't like your attitude because you just come here pointing with your finger. Be professional. You get what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
What you gonna do with that?
For my report for later.
What's your report about?
Just in case.
In case
I'm glad
what?
that you kept the mask on. Have a good one.
I just realized where we were.
Can you at least put it up until vertical?
Yeah.
You too?
Yo, do you feel powerful? Does it give you power to like give orders? What do you get out of it, bro?
What do you do for a job, sir?
This is what I do for a job.
That's fine. You continue doing that, and I'll continue doing my job.
Harassing people on the train? You're a tyrant, bro. You're a petty. Look, you're wearing a brown shirt, bro. Can't be making this shit up. Allied Universal Security. Good for nothing, bro.
Next station is.
You have a good day, sir.
All right, guys. These are the mass Nazis. Look at how they have these people. Look at how this guy is making these people ride the train. Do you feel happy about that, bro?
You want to point your camera to that sign right there, right next to you?
Yeah. Just like the Nazis, just following orders, bro. Look at the sign. You're not allowed to enforce federal law, bro. You understand? You're a security guard. You're not allowed to enforce federal law.
On this property, I am.
No, you ain't. You think you are. You're a tyrant, bro. And look how he has these people. You're evil, bro.
Thank you for keeping all of us safe.
You should be fired, bro. Whatever.
Feel free.
All right, let me get your name and your badge so I could contract and file my complaint. Super unprofessional.
Feel free to file that
All right,
complaint.
bro. I'm gonna talk to you no more, man. You're evil, bro. That's all I gotta say. Violate your rights to get a paycheck. This is the type of person we got right here. This guy, he's our ruler. He's our master.
Like I said, guys, Raggle Monkey does amazing work. You guys do not want to sleep on this guy's channel. Make sure you guys go and subscribe. I'm dropping the links in the description and in the pinned comment. Please let him know I sent you. Make sure you watch his channel and watch some of his older videos. You guys are absolutely gonna love this dude. And he's also got an Instagram called Clean Up Miami, where you guys will be able to see exactly what I'm talking about. This guy is extremely creative, folks. What I do like about Raggle Monkey is he does his own work. He goes out of his way to learn new ways of doing things. And I gotta tell you guys, a lot of the newer channels that are popping up, check out Raggle Monkey's work. Learn from this dude. And I think you guys will advance in your activism. All right, with that being said, thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.